guys? Alright, welcome to beautiful and windy San Juan, Puerto Rico. And yeah, continuing our journey to every country in the world. You might be saying to yourself, you know Puerto Rico's not a new country, right? You live in the United States. I know, but a lot of you guys voted for it on the poll I put up. And yeah, like, why not come to Puerto Rico? It's incredible here. So yeah, right now, I haven't skated in like 2 weeks, just trying to get away from that New York weather. So, just cruising around, breaking in a brand new board, and yeah, just cruise and find a skate park. Alright guys, bit of a bus back where I was, so decided to head about 10 minutes away to Punta Las Marias skate park. This is a DIY that everyone's been telling me to go to, so let's check it out. Damn, this place is sick. Got murals everywhere. Got benches made out of wood, crates, decks. This sun-covered chair. This place is crazy. And if you walk down like 20 feet from the skate park, it's like perfect, right on the water. Just work up a sweat, jump right in, cool off, or just hang out and fish, whatever. Amazing. Looks like perfect quarter pipe coming soon. Pyramid thing. Volcano. We got this, looks like fiberglass, little rainbow rail thing. How long has this place been here?
Damn, yo, 9 años, ¿verdad? 10 years. Para mí, desde mi ojo, 2011, 2012, ¿verdad?
El 11, como
2011.
Yeah. It was the
plastic. There was only 2 pieces of wood, like, next to the walls.
Oh, this is like an old gas station?
It was like just, like, nothing. Same too, but there was one here and there was one over there. That was the only thing.
That's it?
That was the only thing you had here.
So this land is like, this was an old gas station?
Yeah. Wow. At first it was, I think, a building, a big building.
And so what, no one owns it now, or?
Yeah, it's like
Public,
yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, but yeah, we've done all of this made by locals.
Really?
All of this with our money, like no one.
Really?
Yeah.
So no one like helped out. It's all locals.
Yeah. Him, Rebecca, a group of old school people. Yeah.
Wow. And what's your name again?
Jerome.
Jerome.
Yeah.
Chad, nice to meet you. Man. Yeah.
This dude, he put everything here. He built it.
Really?
Yeah.
You do all the work here?
Yeah. Him and a lot of friends.
What's your name?
Chemi.
Jimmy?
Che, like Che Guevara.
Oh, Chemi.
Chemi, yeah.
Nice to meet you, Chad.
Nueva York, ¿tú vienes?
What's that?
From New York?
Yeah. Yep, first time here.
Oh, sí.
Yeah. A lot of people told me to come here and check it out.
Okay, I have to go to the La Perla Bowl too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. What's it? El Bowl?
Yeah, El Bowl in La Perla.
Yeah. Do you think it's filled with water right now or no?
No, not today.
It's empty.
Okay, cool. I saw pictures online and it had water sometimes.
See, during the weekend,
Okay.
we'll have water probably. The Sunday was filled with water.
Okay. Yeah.
That one is a little bit gnarlier though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it there. I love it a little bit.
Do you guys like do you do like fundraisers to raise money for?
Yeah, this guy.
Yeah.
Is kind of
You do all online, what, like GoFundMe, stuff like that?
There's a GoFundMe, but I do ATH Mobile. It's like a PayPal
like
type stuff.
Oh, okay.
They just
Like
put
PayPal.
money in the account.
So you just have like an Instagram or like stuff like that?
Instagram.
Nice.
Like
Yeah.
a Cash
And
App.
there's some Punta Las Marias Instagram too.
Yeah, like a skatepark Instagram.
And then the new interest in skateboarding after the fucking COVID.
Oh yeah, a lot of people
Como-
picking up boards
Es
again.
ridículo. Estoy dando clases, teaching here in the evenings and sometimes in the morning too.
Really?
Like everyone is teaching skateboarding all over.
made you move here from Ohio? The weather brought you here?
Weather. I hear like it's really cool. Like I have friends that came here. Like, oh, it's fucking sick. And honestly, I see this place. Puntas, like DIY, skate parks, learning Espanol, like a bunch of reasons. And, like I've never really left like the mainland U.S. and I'm like, man, I gotta fucking get out, dude.
You couldn't speak Spanish before you moved here?
Not really at all. Like I still can't. People will catch. I'll be like, I'll be good, and then they'll say something. I'm like, fuck.
So what do you do here for work now?
I was building skate parks.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, or just one skate park with that guy, Stephen Hauser.
Pretty cool. So are you working on that quarter pipe over there? Is that what?
Yeah, I'm helping a little bit, yeah.
Are you you're pouring that tomorrow?
Sí.
Really?
Sí.
How much does like a quarter pipe like that
Dos
cost?
yardas. What was the cost? I don't remember. But it's 2 yards.
Okay, 2 yards?
It's $200. But it's gonna be free.
Okay. It's like anyone owning this property is like ever at risk of like.
Supposedly, it's there's a law like shit between the government, the bank that used to give the money for this construction that was gonna happen here.
Okay.
It was gonna be a building and a port and crazy shit. Never happened. Like violated many laws. So the government says it's them. The bank says it's them. The owner used to be owner. Also said it's his. And what now? But now supposedly it was sold with the new laws that they did in Puerto Rico. It was
Really?
Supposedly it was sold.
Okay, so that's good then. Someone owns it and they're not.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
I mean, that we don't really know. We don't want to know.
Okay.
We don't really want to know. But we won't move.
Yeah.
I mean, I think we will anyway negotiate if we can get a park for real.
Yeah.
A really good park, like everyone happy about it, not one or a few parks in San Juan. That's okay.
Yeah.
It comes with good location, privacy, everything that's here. I mean, it's not only a park; it's a fucking art spot.
Yeah.
It's a place where weird kids come.
Yeah, hang out, keep out of trouble.
Sí,
Yeah.
sí, señor.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah.
That's the hardest part of DIYs. It's the land that it's on, and people
Sí, man.
always someone comes
We
around.
thought
always.
we thought that at some point before the old laws, we thought that we were gonna be like 12 years and start asking for it like as a non-profit.
Yeah.
This is our
Okay.
thing, skateboarding and
Yeah.
you know and a forest.
Yeah. Is this your local park?
Not really, but yeah, I start here.
How long have you been skating?
Like 7 years.
You started your crew right around here with you and your friends.
Yeah, because when I started skating, I didn't see many girls, so I knew some girls and everything. So one day, like I was like 2 years skating. So and then I just became like I want to skate with all girls that I know.
Yeah.
And that time I think I was my first year living in Miami, and there I met some like other girls in Miami, and I want to join my girls in Miami and my girls in San Juan. So I just make a group chat. And in that chat, I just called them skate mommies in that chat. So that's the beginning. That's the beginning.
That's great.
This one, I think I have better one.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Chad, this is my boyfriend.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
How are you? Wow, thank you.
Yeah, well.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's session. So I just learned that this park is the only skate park in San Juan, which is the capital of Puerto Rico. It's kind of weird because, you know, traveling around the states everywhere, usually in the big cities is where there's skate parks. So it's kind of weird that every other city in Puerto Rico has a skate park basically, and this one doesn't. So I'm gonna link up their Instagram and stuff just so you guys could support them, follow them, check out what they're doing. All right, I gotta get out of the sun before my face turns into leather. So I'll see you guys in the next video.